KIDDE Fire Systems is a worldwide leader in the development and manufacture of fire detection, prevention, and protection systems. Established as Walter KIDDE in 1917, KIDDE Fire Systems has a long history of providing custom-engineered fire protection solutions across a wide range of industries including industrial, manufacturing, military, commercial cooking, marine, mining, off-road, and more. The KIDDE mission has always been early intervention through sensitive detection, followed by alarm and control functions to notify occupants and to suppress the fire using fast-acting suppression systems. KIDDE has a proud history of being on the forefront of fire detection and control technology. And today we are excited to introduce the all-new advanced Intelligent Fire Alarm Suppression Control Unit, the ARIES NETLink Multi-Loop. The ARIES NETLink combines high-quality system reliability and flexibility required by modern commercial, high-tech, industrial and heritage applications in an aesthetically pleasing and physically robust package. At its core, a suppression panel, the ARIES NETLink is approved for releasing clean agents, CO2, as well as water mist, water deluge, pre-action, and foam systems. The control unit offers industry unparalleled safeguard from accidental release through an exclusive safeguard system. Developed from a deep understanding of microprocessors, the RRR system requires two independent activation commands of opposite polarity via separate signaling channels, together with a signal from the watchdog timer to activate the release circuit. This ensures maximum protection against inadvertent release from electrical transient interferences. The control unit has several fully featured configurations. The base unit includes two signaling line circuits, or loops, that support 510 Smart 1 addressable devices, a large display, several release and notification circuits, and power supplies complete with battery backup. The unit is designed with flexibility of configuration and ease of installation in mind. While the enclosure is compact and fits between standard wall studs, the gutter space on the inside allows for easy wiring. All major user terminations are via pluggable terminals and disconnect switches. A hinge standoff enables the main board to swing and provide easy access to the power supply units behind it. The system offers exceptional expansion and functional capabilities through 8 module types, 24 of which can be accommodated in a fully loaded system. Signaling line circuit modules. Up to 6 can be added. Each module can address 255 devices with no device type restriction. Release notification appliance modules. Any number can be added subject only to the limitation of power and available slots. Each module provides 3 circuits, each of which is independently user configured for either release or notification. Relay module. Each relay module is equipped with 4 Form C potential free relay contacts. Each relay is independently driven and can be pre-programmed to change on a variety of conditions. City tie module. The module provides 3 independently operated circuits for municipal tie inputs. DACT. The Digital Alarm Communicator Transmitter, or DACT module, enables the control unit to transmit system status over phone lines to a central station. Networking module. The module allows up to 64 control units to be interlinked into an integrated peer-to-peer network, capable of supporting up to 130,000 devices. Networking fiber optic interface. This daughter card to the networking module enables network connectivity via fiber optic medium over longer distances. Internet Communication Module, or ICM. The module provides internet connectivity for event viewing and automatic email notification. The email provides a link that a technician can use to examine the panel and determine specific needs before heading out to the job site. The control unit is also equipped with an RS-485 remote annunciator bus that supports up to 31 annunciator modules. These include up to 16 remote LED annunciators, 15 remote display control modules, RDCM, and 16 ATMR and ATML drivers. The RDCM permits system events to be displayed and operator intervention to be accomplished from more than one location in a facility. The control unit offers enclosure expansion capabilities through the expansion enclosures, 3-tiered or 2-tiered, to increase housing capacity for additional power supplies and expansion backplanes. With a full complement of standard and specialty detection products seamlessly integrated into the loop and a full line of suppression products, KIDDE is proud to have a range of offering that no other competitor can match. Our portfolio of detectors includes the industry-leading distributed intelligent Smart 1 ionization, photoelectric, and thermal detectors, with a full complement of contact input and output modules, signal modules, and remote release modules. Our specialty detectors include the Orion XT high-sensitivity smoke detector, the Air Intelligence air sampling detector, the Alarm Line integrating linear heat detector, and the LHS fixed temperature linear heat detector. Concerned about supporting legacy KIDDE intelligent control panels installed over the years? KIDDE offers a retrofit kit which enables the replacement of legacy Pegasus electronics with those of the ARIES NETLink while retaining the original enclosure and devices. In summary, what does this mean for you? A powerful modern system fully integrated from detection to control to suppression from a single source provider with a single point of responsibility for the entire system. Think smart. Think KIDDE.